In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva design using a link. Whether you're collaborating with a team, sending a draft to a client, or simply sharing your work with a friend, using a shareable link in Canva is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect on your screen, so you can confidently share your design in just a few seconds. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to share. In this example, we're using an Instagram post with a 4:5 ratio, but the process is the same for almost any design type in Canva. Make sure your design is fully loaded and visible on your screen so you can see the top menu and all your usual options. Once your design is open, look towards the top right corner of the Canva interface. You should see a button or area that's usually labeled Share. Sometimes this area is highlighted or stands out with a color to draw your attention. That highlighted section is what you want to click. This is Canva's main sharing hub where you can control who has access to your design and how they can interact with it. After you click that highlighted share area, a panel or pop-up will appear. Inside this panel, you'll see different options such as inviting people by email, adjusting permissions, or downloading your design. For this tutorial, we're focusing on generating a shareable link. Look for the section that mentions a link, usually with a drop-down to choose the permission level, like View Only or Edit. It's a good idea to double-check this setting before you copy the link. If you only want people to view your design without making changes, choose a View or Can View option. If you're collaborating and want others to help edit the design, select an Edit or Can Edit option instead. When you've chosen the permission that fits your needs, click on the button that says Copy Link. Canva will instantly copy the link to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the design itself, but the link is now ready to paste. From here, you can paste that link into an email, a chat message, a document, or wherever you need to share it. That's all you need to do. You've successfully shared your Canva design using a link.